Hey there, this video is part number 2 of my cold weather motor oil pouring test. If you didn't see part 1, the link is in the description below. If you didn't see that, or you don't want to see it, the basics are where I took 7 full synthetic 0W20 oils. I cooled them to minus 28 Fahrenheit, it's minus 33 Celsius, and poured them all out at the same time just to see what happens. I tried to stress in the video too, it was, this is totally unscientific, just for the heck of it. So don't take it too seriously what you see here. So this time, it was supposed to be a little colder last night. Turns out it was about the same temp, but anyway, I wanted to do another video with even more oils. So this time I got 5 more 0W20s, and I also added a synthetic 5W20 and a synthetic 5W30. So in this video, the contenders were GTX or Castrol GTX Magnatec, Havoline Pro DS, Citgo Supergard, Resolute full synthetic. This is from Mills Fleet Farm in the Midwest of the US, and I think it's made by Citgo, I believe. Don't take my word for it, though. House brand of that Mills Fleet Farm. Supertech, Walmart brand, full synthetic. And then since all the oils in the last video did pretty similar, I started throwing a few wild cards in this one. So I got a formula shell. This is a 5W20 full synthetic, just to see how it would compare to the 0W20s. And then finally, Castrol Edge Extended Performance 5W30. And to wrap this up, I'm doing what I should have done in the last video, and that's just do a voiceover on a still image from the video. Again, this test rig is not super precise, not everything poured at exactly the same time, and the results might be totally meaningless too, so don't take this too seriously. This is just for entertainment purposes, more for mine and hopefully some of yours. So it looks like the Havoline Pro DS, and surprisingly the Resolute, which was the Mills Fleet Farm house brand, did the best. 3-way tie looks like maybe for Castrol GTX Magnatec, the Citgo Supergard, and kind of surprisingly the formula shell. That was the 5W20 in the test. They all started to pour pretty much at about the same time. And then pulling up the rear for the 0W20s was the Supertech from Walmart. A little surprising was the Castrol Edge 5W30. That did a little worse than I thought. I kind of expected it to be, since it was also a 5W like the formula shell 5W20, that they would be kind of similar, but no, not at all, not even close. So make of that what you will. So there you go. Again, just did this for fun. Hopefully a few of you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.